don't know. I feel like I look like somebody auntie. Somebody play some Shaka Khan. Y'all, hurry up. It's already started. Come on. I'm here. And I got the snacks. Oh, you do? Thank you, girl. I know. Send me some of those. Yeah, send me some of those. And why you got that? Last thing to do. And I'll be ready. Never mind all that. Scratch all that. Forget y'all. We already late. It's already started. Back to the show. Snidey. What it do, baby boo? What's up, loves? It's your girl Morgan.Sinclaire, now back again for another video. Okay, this video is kind of different because I've never bought anything ever again. But first, let me just say, if you're new to my channel, what it do, baby boo? Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to our family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, baby boo? Again, it's your girl back again for another video. So yeah, again, today is really different. I've never done anything like this before, but I bought a wig off of Amazon. I am super scared to try this on because I just feel like this wig about to be, I done seen the videos, I done seen pictures, I done seen all, hold on, let me get my own wig. I am afraid to try it on, but I really wanted a new wig. It's, for me, it's just time to retire this one. It's time to retire this one. And I just feel like it's, you know, winter is coming and I want to wear some sort of natural looking wig for cheap instead of spending all my coins. You know, my pockets are bleeding. We cannot have that. So I decided to go to Amazon and get this wig. So it's gonna be like a review, try on, and slay, hopefully. And yeah, y'all keep on watching. I got my wig cap on, y'all. You know what, I would look cute bald, but I'm not gonna do that to myself. And the Amazon wig came like this. And it came in, this is the packaging. All right, so what it said was, let's see, what's the name, because like the wig names are so weird, but I just really wanted like a natural wig that kind of like was colored, because I just haven't had color. So okay, it's from the brand Goodly Hair, and it's called Afro Kinky Curly Wig with Bangs for Black Women, 14 inches, fashion ombre brown short curly wig. And I got it for $23.99. And I had a little discount code, so it knocked it down to $20. And I'm gonna try to put my little discount code. Hopefully it works for y'all. And I'm also gonna post a picture, probably over here somewhere, about what it looks like and my expectations. I have tried this wig on for my best friend, but I didn't manipulate it or anything like that. I just put it on my head to see if it fit. So it does fit my head. So what comes in it is they give you a wig cap, and it has a little note on it, and it says, "Do you have a map? I got lost in your beauty. I'm weak." I think these are tattoos. I don't know. What are they doing? Y'all, my apartment complex be getting on my nerves. Anyway. And I also got a pair of gold earrings. Okay. Trust me, I'm gonna wash these out before I put them on my ears. We ain't got time for coronavirus to be all up in my ears. Period. Alright, so the wig, this is the wig. It's brown, like ombre brown. I'm just gonna say, I wish it would have came black, brown, ombre to like this auburn color. It comes in a net, and it has paper inside. To talk about the construction of the wig, So there are, first of all, this thing stank. There are adjustable straps in the back. I'm trying to get the strap off. So adjustable straps in the back, okay. And it has a comb, just one comb in the front. Oh, okay. Not the bang-ain. All right, the bang-ain. First of all, the wig feels like it's lopsided. Okay. Second of all, this bang. First of all, I would split it. And so this is what it looks like out of the bag. Like, this is straight out the bag. I have not manipulated it. It is a synthetic wig, I think. Hold on. I'm trying to unlock my phone and it cannot tell my face. It is heat resistant synthetic fiber hair, 100%, 14 inches. The height is 14 inches, ombre brown wig. The cap size is a normal cap size, and they have the circumference of 22.5. I don't need the adjustable straps. I don't know what I'm giving y'all, but this ain't it. I wish it was black on the inside. And it also doesn't look like the girl on the thing. Like, I don't know how she got it. It's shaped pretty nicely. Like, I like the shape, but I want to do something to it to make it look better. So I got like this, and I'm just gonna pick it and see if it oh wait, actually when you pick it, y'all, it moves. So be careful. I wish the comb would have been in the back and not the front, because this right here ain't it. I'm unsure what to do, because this bang-ain, bang-ain, sis. What is this? What? See, me, I want to split it in half because I wear my natural hair this way. Okay, so I think when you start doing that, then to give it some kind of, you know, like shaping for my actual hair. Yeah. It's still kind of bangy. Like I don't even feel like this would be if I ever, hold on. So I'm gonna tuck that. So if I tuck that, how does that look? Ugly. That does not look good. I'm trying to find me a good, nice wig to wear to work, and this ain't it. I'm over here picking this out. I want it big and natural at the same time, like. So just pick it out. Hold it though, y'all, because if you hold it and pick it out, then it won't move. Okay, so we like this side. Well, this side is looking natural. Now this side is just looking like, oh, what? Oh. Split some pieces. Baby, oh no. I'm gonna cut this up. Y'all know what I want to do to this? Put some, because it does not look like the girl in it. The girl in the picture looks so cute, but also she wore it like she wore it with the bang in front, and I am not a bang person. Like this, when I have it in front like this, it looks like a wig. Like it looks like a wig. I don't know. It gives me Tina Turner vibes. It does. It gives me straight Tina Turner. I wish my natural hair would look like this. Like, it's a nice volume and a nice curl pattern, but the bangs, like, the bangs are really stressing me out. Cause see, you see how like this side is short and this side is long? And that's why I was splitting it, cause I was like, bruh, maybe if I split it on this way, maybe it'll look. Never mind. Okay, oh wait, that did something. That did something. I don't know what I did, but I just kind of tucked it in. I really think this is giving me Shaka Khan Ain't Nobody Gonna Love You Better. Makes me happy, makes me feel this way. Like how would y'all feel if my hair was actually like this? Like, comment down below, let me know. Because like legit, you cannot split this. Like, I feel like I will be sending this back, even though I cut it. Like, if it stays like this, but see, I can't see. Like, I cannot see out of my right eye. I mean, like, for real though, how do I look? I am gonna spray some mist on it. And like, the crazy thing is, I can't even like put it up. Like, if I wanted to, you know, put it up on the side, that look crazy. I don't know, y'all. I got to call somebody and like ask them how I look, cause I just don't know. Like, this ain't my cup of tea. Are you ready?
I love it. I think it's gorgeous.
Really?
I love it.
I don't like it.
I love it.
I
love it. This is my type of hair. Like, I love it.
don't like
Big,
it.
vibrant, and it looks good with your skin. Since you look like you got melanin just popping out your pores.
Oh my God. You see, like, I tried to split it, right? And it just looks weird to me right here.
It looks fine. It looks like it's your hair. That's how it's supposed to look. Your hair, afros are not supposed to be like perfect.
I don't know. I don't feel like I'll wear this to work. What you think?
I feel like you're being dramatic, and I think you should. And if somebody say something, be like, I'm black, period.
I don't like it. I feel like I can't wear this without makeup. Like, I think if it was like really black here, then I would like it. But I think
it's flat enough for the hair, because if it was any flatter, it wouldn't look. It look weird.
I don't know.
I love the child. This tickling my fancy. I love it.
Child, I look like Shaka Khan. Can't nobody love me better. Yeah.
Listen, I love me some Shaka Khan. I had a wig that was named Shaka Khan, but she's no longer with us. She's passed. She's no longer with us.
Okay.
She passed on to be with the Lord.
Wow. The Lord took her.
And what Morgan, to be absent from the body
Is to be
present with the Lord.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Jesus, for the revelation. Exodus. Revelation. Thank you.
You know how I want to call?
Huh?
I want to call Fitch and see how you gonna take it.
And you probably gonna be like, come on, my HBCU grad.
Let's see. Hold on,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna call you right back, and I'm gonna call Fitch.
Okay.
All right. Hey, bruh. Look at this. Do you like this? You like the color?
Jill Scott vibes.
Jill Scott vibes?
And Faith Evans too.
Oh, I don't like it no more. Never mind. Not Faith Evans.
You don't like Jill Scott?
I like Jill Scott, but I don't know about Faith Evans. Jeez, I don't know about this.
It looks good though. Like the ombre and everything, man.
I don't like it.
It matches your skin complexion too.
That's what I'm saying. It's just too much to my skin. I think I should have did blonde.
mean, it don't look bad though. What I'm saying is, like, you think it looked too much like your skin, but I feel like it just complimented well. To be honest.
I don't know. I feel like it's too much. Too much. I had to get your opinion. I was like, I need a nigga's opinion.
Nah, it looks good. I think that looks some really great look.
Thanks. Guess what?
What?
Why you stop? Guess what? Look.
I already know.
You knew this was a wig? Dang, that's bad. See, no.
I mean, I already knew that it was though. I just knew it.
Dang, you wouldn't think I would dye my actual hair this way?
It ain't. I'm not trying you or nothing like that. I just knew that it was a wig already.
I would dye my hair actually this tip color, just the tip. I don't like it.
What you don't like about it?
It's just like it don't look like me. I don't know. I don't like it. This ain't it. I gotta send it back.
Okay.
Gotta send it back. I don't like it.
Okay. Well.
I think the color is too much. I think it looks. I think it's the banging. Okay, guys. Rate this in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think about this. I am so unsure, and I really think I'm gonna send it back. I really think I'm gonna send it back. It's just not. It's not me. Like it's too. I don't even think my natural hair is kind of this big, but I don't think I would dye it the whole thing brown. And I feel like I need a little bit, dark roots here. The bang is super uneven. I am not a fan. And then I think because, I can't slay my roots and stuff like regular natural hair, that's what's killing me. But I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know. I feel like somebody auntie, like for real. And I hate looking like somebody auntie. For real. And that's just how I feel about it. I'm going to post this on my Instagram. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at morgan_sinclaire with the E on the end, and follow me on Twitter and pictures, same at names. Do not forget to comment down below and tell me how you feel. I will be putting everything in the description box where I got this from. If you like this wig, I say go for it. I don't think it's a no-go for me. Y'all hear my friend talking. But I don't think it's no-go for me. It's just too much for me. Like, it doesn't look like my natural hair for me. So we're gonna try another wig in another video. But if you want more videos like this, make sure you let me know in that comment section. The comment section is key. And y'all know I love to get back to y'all. And don't forget, God got you. You got this. Obviously not this hair, but y'all be the judge of that. Let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.